Welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, we are making seafood pasta. I just showed you guys the lobster, the shrimp, and the mussels. I put the mussels on ice to keep it cold. Right now I'm cutting up the lobster. I don't know how to cut it up with a knife, so I use the scissors because it's much more easier for me to do. So that's what I'm doing. After I take off the shell, I'm gonna cut the lobster up into small pieces. I'm gonna season up the shrimp and the lobster, and after that, I will season up the mussels. I have the lobster cut up, and now it's time to season up the shrimp and the lobster. All the seasoning that I'm using is, of course, on the screen, so you can just take a look at it and see. After I season up the lobster and the shrimp, I'm gonna put the spaghetti in the water. I already have a pot boiling with salt water and oil. And then after I put my spaghetti in, I'm going to season up the mussels. The same seasonings that I'm using for the shrimp and lobster is the same seasonings that I'm using for the mussels. Only thing with the mussels is that I'm putting the mussels in the oven for like 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Okay, so this is the pasta. I just put it in. I'm just going to stir it up a little so they don't stick together. put the mussels in the oven. I started on the shrimp and lobster. I use butter for the shrimp and lobster. You don't have to cook it for long. I cooked it for like 5 minutes because I don't want my shrimp and lobster to overcook. After I take the shrimp and lobster out, I use the remaining sauce that's in the pot to start on my cheese sauce. My pasta sauce consists of butter, seasoning, whatever cheese I have in the house, and heavy cream. I start with the heavy cream first, and then I put cheese. The cheeses that I did have in the house was the mozzarella, Italian, Parmesan, and the sharp cheddar cheese. So those are all the cheeses that I use. You just basically put everything together and you just mix it into the consistency that you like. If you like your cheese sauce to be thick, then you make it thick. I'm between, I don't want it watery, I don't want it thick, I just want it right in the middle. So that's how I make my cheese sauce. It doesn't take long to make. The most time I spend on cheese sauce is probably like 5 minutes or less. I don't know, because I always make cheese sauce, so I'm used to just making it now, but it doesn't take long to make. So okay, so my shrimp and lobster is ready. My pasta sauce, my cheese sauce is ready. I have my spaghetti that is ready too, and my mussels is ready. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my shrimp and lobster, and I'm going to, ooh, that pot is hot. I'm gonna put my sauce in, my shrimp and lobster in. And I'm just gonna mix that around. And then I'm gonna take my pasta and I'm gonna put my pasta in like that. Like that. I'll put my pasta in. And then what I'm gonna do is just take my sauce and just mix it all around. And then I'm going to take the rest of my pasta and just dump it in like that. Put some shrimp on top. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mussels. I'm just going to lay them on the side. Okay, so I added some of the parsley flakes and then I added more cheese to it. And this is how it came out. Here's your shrimp, lobster, and mussel Alfredo dinner under 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.